Hey, Tweety and Maxie, can I please watch the BND of Doom? No. No, absolutely not. Why? Because it's too scary for you. But it's funny, watch it. Okay, if you watch it again, if you watch it, you'll be grounded for even more. Chilly. I think Max and Tweety will shut up. Shut up, Max and Tweety. I don't give a crap about it there. I'm gonna watch the BMD of Doom. Birdy parrot? Is that the BND of Doom? Oh no! Please! What have I done? You watch the BND and Doom? Yes. Let's see it! Woo! Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Birdy parrot! How dare you watch the BND of Doom? You know, you're not allowed to watch the BND of Doom until you're 18 years old. But I didn't want to grow up. That's why I want to do it now. I don't care. You are grounded until Hero goes back to school on May 4th, 2020. Go to bed.